Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today, we're diving into something that affects us all, our finances. The world of personal finance can initially appear intimidating, but education can create confidence in managing your money. Financial literacy is a skill that can be learned and developed by anyone willing to put in the time and effort. Before we jump into today's topic, let me share a quick story with you. A few years ago, Emily, a recent college grad, found herself in a financial mess. Despite having a decent job, her bank account was always nearing zero. Credit card bills, student loans, you name it, she was struggling with it. Then, one day, Emily stumbled upon an old notebook of her grandmother, a self-made woman who had lived through tough times. In this notebook were written 4 simple yet powerful rules of managing money. Intrigued, Emily decided to follow these rules. Fast forward to today, not only has she cleared her debt, but she's also well on her way to buying her first home. Want to know what these life-changing rules were? That's exactly what we're diving into today. These aren't just financial tips, they're stepping stones to a secure future. So, whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting out, this video is packed with value for everyone. Lack of financial capability can make it hard to make major financial decisions like opening the right kinds of bank accounts, planning for retirement, and paying off personal debts from student loans or credit cards. So how do you become financially literate? We're focusing on 4 crucial rules to enhance your financial literacy. Rule number 1. Earn. Understanding your paycheck. Before you can start spending, saving, and investing, you need to know how much money you make. If you make the same amount each month, this part is pretty easy. Take a good look at your paycheck to identify your gross and net income, and note any other deductions, such as employer-sponsored health insurance or a retirement plan. If you're one of the 32% of Americans whose income varies from month to month, calculating your income can be a little more difficult, but it's still important. Once you've determined your monthly net income, you're ready to spend responsibly with a personal budget. Rule number 2. Spend. Creating a personal budget. A personal budget is just a plan for how you want to spend your money. But it's also the most useful tool for achieving your financial goals. To create a monthly personal budget, you'll need to track your spending over the course of 1 month, and then break everything down into categories. Budgeting is a cornerstone of effective financial management. The 50-30-20 rule provides a simple yet powerful framework for allocating your income. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Adhering to this rule helps strike a balance between meeting immediate needs, enjoying life's pleasures, and securing your financial future. Regularly reviewing your budget empowers you to make informed decisions about your finances. Rule number 3. Save. Determining your financial goals. Everyone knows it's important to save money, but it's hard to spend less than you earn without specific financial goals to work towards. Your financial goals should include: setting aside some money in a designated emergency fund will give you peace of mind, and also prevent a financial setback from overtaking your life. Experts recommend setting aside at least 3 months' worth of basic living expenses in case of an unexpected financial burden like a layoff or large medical expense. Whether you're hoping to buy a car, a home, or pay for graduate school, the sooner you start saving, the less you'll have to put aside each month. If you're caught in a cycle of debt, making a plan to pay it off can save you thousands of dollars in interest. Check the interest rates on your loans. Paying off loans on time, or ahead of schedule, can save you thousands of dollars in interest. Regularly reviewing and refinancing to lower rates can further optimize your financial health. Rule number 4. Use social media. According to a 2021 Magnify Money survey, investors between the ages of 18 and 40 use YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok as their source for financial information and investing research. You can use your favorite social media channels to follow financial experts, get links to interesting articles, and watch videos that discuss financial topics. Consider joining a personal finance Facebook group where you can engage in conversations and share resources with other people in a community. Let's take John, for instance. He started by tracking his spending and realized he was spending $200 a month on coffee. By cutting down and investing that amount, he's on track to save an extra $5,000 in 5 years. What's one expense you think you could cut down on? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. To wrap up, remember, Financial literacy isn't about being rich, it's about making informed decisions with your money. These 4 rules are your stepping stones to financial empowerment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing your finances.